Hey! Hi there! You here to join my class? Great. Okay, make sure you have enough space. Do you have enough space? Good. Okay, if you can hear me, can you sit down? Can you stand up? Can you sit down? Can you stand up? Can you run really fast? And stop. And run really fast. Go, 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 and stop. If you can hear me, can you shake your hands up in the sky? Woo! And shake your hands down to the ground. Woo! Shake your hands up to the sky. Woo! And down to the ground. Woo! Can you shake your feet? Ready? Whoa! Look at my feet. They're like jelly feet. Whoa! And stop. One more time. Shake your feet. Whoa! Look at my feet. Shake your feet. Shake, 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 shake. And stop. Great job. If you can hear me, can you shake your whole body? Ready? Go. Shake, 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 shake. Whoa! I'm a jelly man. Shake, shake. Stop. And shake, 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 shake. Shake your head too. Whoa, 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 whoa. And stop. All right. Great job, everybody. Hey, let's learn about some more farm animals, okay? What farm animals can I think of? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had some dogs. Let's be dogs, everybody. Put your paws up like a dog. Ruff, ruff. Can you bark like a dog? Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Let's run around the room like a dog. Ready, go. Come on. Dogs can run really fast. Let's run really fast. Come on. Let's go really fast. Ruff, ruff. Stop. I smell something. Oh, it's gone. Let's go. Ruff, 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 ruff. Come on. Ruff, 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 ruff. And stop. Great job. What other farm animals can I think of? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had some cats. Let's be cats, everybody. What sound does a cat make? Meow. Meow. Very good. You can have your two little ears like this. Meow. Can you lick your paws like a cat? Meow. Meow. Let's walk like a cat, everybody. Cats walk really soft. Really soft. Right? Really soft. Tiptoe like a cat. Meow. Tiptoe like a cat. Meow. Show me your two ears. Great. Meow. Can you meow like a cat? Meow. 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 And stop. Great job. We've done dogs and cats. What other animals are on the farm? Aha! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some mice. Let's be little mice, everybody. Like a tiny little mouse. Mouse are really small, so you gotta go down really small, and you go squeak, 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 and you crawl. Squeak, 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 crawl. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. You go really small, really small. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Really small. Squeak, squeak, squeak. As small as you can. I'm a really small mouse. Look how small I am. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Great job, everyone. Hey, that was so much fun. I love learning about farm animals with you guys. I hope to see you all next time, okay? Bye-bye. Bye.